Colorful Cute Kids.
Hello everyone! Welcome to the Colorful Cute Kids channel. Today, we are going to draw and color a cute computer. First, I'll draw straight lines like this to form the computer's shape. Now, let's add the computer screen. To make it even cuter, I'll draw heart shapes inside the screen so lovely. Next, I'll draw the keyboard and touchpad. Don't forget the computer mouse. And finally, let's make our computer extra cute by drawing a happy face with big, bright eyes and a smiling mouth. Our drawing is complete. Now let's start coloring. Time to color. First, I'll use pink to color the hearts and the computer's cheeks. Let's continue with pink for the keyboard and touchpad. For the computer mouse, I'll use light purple. The computer screen will be light blue just like a real screen. Finally, I'll use gray to color this part. Wow, our cute computer looks amazing. But wait, we're not done yet. Now, I'm going to show you how to draw and color a notebook, crayons, and scissors. Let's start drawing. First, let's draw a notebook. I'll start with the spine just like this. Now, I'll draw a heart shape on the cover and add a bookmark. To make our notebook extra cute, let's give it a happy face with two big eyes and a smiling mouth. Next to the notebook, I'll draw a school supplies cup. Inside the cup, I'll draw crayons sticking out so colorful. Next, let's add a ruler. Now, I'll draw a paintbrush. It's perfect for painting. Of course, the cup also gets a cute face with bright eyes and a happy smile. Finally, let's draw a pair of scissors. I'll start with a heart shape right here, then add the scissor handles. Time to color. Let's start with pink. Now, I'll use yellow for this part. The notebook will be light purple, such a pretty color. For the school supplies cup, I'll use green and yellow for its cap. Let's color the crayons pink, dark green, dark blue, dark yellow. Now, I'll use sky blue for the ruler. Yellow for this part, brown for the paintbrush handle. Let's add some final pink and gray details. Great job, everyone! Our drawing looks fantastic. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to support our channel. See you in the next video. Goodbye.